Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are making a healthy kebab salad in a Subway style. So let's begin with the ingredients. So now let's start making a salad. For that I'm taking a bowl and adding some lettuce leaves in that. I'm using all the vegetables that everyone is likely to find in their kitchen. So after adding lettuce, I'm adding the onions, after that I'm adding some chopped cucumbers, then some chopped capsicum, and some sliced tomatoes, and then finally paneer. Now I'm using the mint sauce and chipotle sauce in my salad. You can use any sauce that is available at your home or that you like. Now I'm adding the homemade kebab that I made. So if you want the recipe of these kebab, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely make that for you. You can even have this salad as it is, or you can put the boiled eggs in it or whatever you want. So the last step for this kebab salad is adding salt and pepper, and then we are done with our salad. So yeah, here we come to an end. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments what recipe you want me to make next, and if you want the recipe of kebabs, also let me know.